Today on the Street Food Chef YouTube channel, we're here in Arugam Bay, the surfy bohemian paradise, and it reminds me of how it was maybe 20 years ago in Canggu. It's quiet streets, it's nice, people are friendly, and the food, it's lots of healthy bowls, there's lots of clean food, so it's quite a nice relief from the old curry and rice that we've been having before. Arugam Bay is a sleepy little town, but it's a little surf mecca. It's got some cool cafes here, it's got some great surf and some amazing beaches, and so one of the things that you come here is just to hang out and chill. It's also got lots of yoga as well, and it's unspoilt. It doesn't have the arrogance of Canggu either, and it's just very laid back. There's some great safari, amazing beaches, so follow me as I discover Arugam Bay. I'm really excited this morning because I'm going to go to one of the markets and I'm going to see, what they do, how they fish. And here they fish on a day-to-day basis. And what's really interesting is that when it's not high season, all the surfy kind of school instructors, they go back to fishing in the low season. So it's very much a fishing village here. So I'm going to go and I always find when I go to the market, this is where I find the heart of a village, and so I'm really looking forward to perhaps try and have some breakfast there and see what I can find in the market and what sort of quirky people and interesting menus I can find.